Welcome to Tammy's Maths. It is 11th standard NCERT permutation combination. Okay. Exercise 6.1, problem 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do. Don't feel the whole board is occupied with the problem. Problem only is like that. Working is just one line. And I told you, no, without the problems, you won't have any involvement. So basically, I always feel problems should be in front of you. Even when you're working at home, have the problem right in front of you. It will be very easy to understand and to work also. Problem 4. How many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digit 0 to 9 if each number starts with 67 and no digit appears more than once? I think in the previous video I told you how much ever I explained, logical reasoning is very much involved in that, and my explanation should make you think very nicely. The logical reasoning in you should be enlightened. I can say rather that it should be enlightened so that you are in a good position to do it. You should know the formulas, you should know the logic, you should know to do things independently. Okay? Let's see. I am having a 5-digit telephone number. This is problem 4. See, working is just one line. You are having a 5-digit telephone number. How should the telephone number be? As you like? As you like, students? No. It should always start with 6, 7. 5-digit telephone number. 5-digit telephone number. It should always start with 6, 7. 6, 7 should be there. So, do you have any choice for the first two places? Yes? No? What do you tell me? No. You don't have any choice for first two places. So, your choice is only for the last 3 places. And it's a telephone number. It can't be a combination. You interchange, it gives you a different number. So, it's a permutation. You're forming a 5-digit telephone number using the digits 0 to 9. So, 6, 7 is fixed. 0 to 9. 0 to 9, so 2 numbers are gone. They are fixed here. 0 to 9, totally there are 10 numbers. Now you will have only 8 numbers left. So these 3 places will be filled with 8 numbers. There are 8 tens and you have to make a permutation of 3 in that. So how will you do this? How will you do this? So this is fixed. This is fixed, 6, 7. So now there are 8 numbers. This could be filled in 8 ways, this could be filled in 7 ways, and this could be filled in 6 ways. So this is 6, 7, numbers are fixed. So in how many ways can you totally have the telephone numbers? 8 into 7 into 6. So what is this? 36. 336. If you say there are now 8 numbers and there are 3 permutations, it's 8p3. It will be 8p3, which is same as this one. Right? Understood? Easy, enjoyable. Now I'll tell you how you will write the steps. Required to form a 5-digit telephone number from the number 0 to 9. The first 2 places of the 5-digit telephone number is fixed. It is 6, 7. So the first 2 places has no choice. Now the choice is only to the last 3 places. So the last 3 places can be filled by 8 numbers because 6, 7 will be left out. And 0 also can come there because it's not the first place. When it is talking about the first place, 0 does make a little trouble and we will think and remove the trouble when we come to such questions. So it's 8p3, you can say, which is 8 into 7 into 6. Or you can say this place can be filled in 8 ways, next 7 ways, next 6 ways. One action, 8. Next action, 7. Third action, 6. So the total number where you will do all the action is 8 into 7 into 6. Fine? This is this problem. Now I go to the next question. A coin is tossed 3 times. This is problem 5. This is problem 5. A coin is tossed 3 times and outcomes are recorded. How many possible outcomes are there? Very simple, very interesting, and we have to know the concept to do things correct. A coin is tossed 3 times. You toss the coin 3 times. Now in the first time you toss, what you will have? When you toss the coin, what can you see there? What can you see there? You can see a head or a tail. So in the first place, there are 2 ways you can note the things. What are they? 2 ways. And what are the 2 ways? It's a head or a tail. Similarly, in the second toss, it is 2 ways. In the third toss, it is 2 ways. So, how many outcomes are recorded? 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8 outcomes are recorded. Like, the head, tail you can see. That will be 1. That is in the first toss you see a head, second toss you see a head, and third toss you see a tail. That is in this 8. Or it could be 8. Like that. All that will be recorded in that 8. Got it? Easy? Now you have to be good in permutation combination for you to do probability nicely. Probability is an extension of permutation combination, I can say. Problem 6. Given 5 flags of different colors, how many different signals can be generated if each signal requires the use of 2 flags? Now, there are 5 flags of different colors. 5 flags. Now, I want 2 flags for a signal. Like this can be red, this can be green. This can be green, this can be red. They are 2 different signals they will give, isn't it? So out of 5, there are 5 flags of different colors. You need 2 flags. So it is a permutation of 2 different things from 5 different things. So it is 5p2. It's 5p2. Got it? What is that? 5 into 4. That is 20. I hope you got it. There are flags, no? 5 different flags. So this is the answer for this question. So this 3 problems are over. So go through this, and you want something, you put it in the comment box so that I can refine my classes better to make you better. So we will meet in the next video with more problems from the next exercise and more theory. Till then, practice all these problems so that getting center is just nothing at all. Best wishes till then.